Hi, today I will be showing you how to solve the Rubik's Cube. All you have to do first is the cross. So get this, orient it to face the right side, and now keep doing that for the rest. Blue, up, red, just twist this, and then up, and reorient it so it isn't right back in its place. Then find the last piece, which is probably at the bottom. It's right there. So I'm going to keep a finger on it. Pull down and up. There we go. We have the cross right there. Now you got to fill the corners. There's corners in the right place. But all you have to do, look at these two sides, colors, and find the two colors that match. Move out of the way, pull down, insert. Just do that a bunch of times until the whole thing is solved. Just like that. It should look like this when you have enough practice. Oof, wait. Now for the middle layer, all you have to do is look at these two colors. The bottom color has to meet with its opposite. So the opposite of blue is orange or green. So now you have to go to the orange side, pull down like that, just like that, and these two should be in the right place. If you mess anything up, just do that same algorithm in using a random color. It should fix. Orange, opposite of orange is red, so pull it right there. Green, that's the orange piece. Now pull down there in the right place. Now time to do the last one. Red, opposite, and insert. Once you do that, now once you finish it, it should look nice, neat. Now time for the final layer. All you have to do when you have a horizontal bar is that, down, do this, make sure this is connected, and there should be an open spot. This should be connected, everything should be normal. You should get the cross. Then, all you have to do is up, one to the right, down, one more to the right, up, and two to the right. Yeah. So you just keep doing that until you get a fish. I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so now that we have the fish, that's how it looks like. All you have to do is get this piece, this yellow side to here. All you have to do is do that same thing. Down, one, up, 2 times, and down. Now you should get the fishy looking this way. All you have to do, one more time, and then down, and you should get the whole yellow side. So in this case, you should get the two, if they're connected in the right places, you should put them in the back. If you don't have two of them right next to each other and they're across from each other, keep one here and one here. Orient them to this, like just move it. Now all you have to do both ways, but for the other one you have to use it twice. So just down. Then in the back you do it one more time this way. Then and then twice, and then this. So now that if you have this solved, great. Now put it in the back. Now make it twice, make it upside down. Then as you can see, this color, you gotta get this middle there. So all you have to do is that. Then if it's on this side, then just do that. Down, this one, twist it up, and then that. And now you gotta match these two. So if it matches like that, done. And that's how you solve the Rubik's Cube. See see you guys next time if I ever make another video. Bye.